Welcome to today's podcast episode, where we dive into the fascinating world of multi-platform chatbot development frameworks. If you've ever wondered how chatbots can function seamlessly across various messaging platforms, you're in the right place. So, let's talk about the versatility of today's chatbot frameworks. Many of them support popular platforms like QQ, Telegram, WeChat, and even better, they come with built-in web chat features. Just imagine, you could be chatting with a bot on your favorite messaging app, and it feels just as natural and intuitive as texting a friend. Now, what's really exciting is the support for different large language models, or LLMs. You've probably heard of OpenAI's GPT, but there's also other powerful models like DeepSeek, Ollama, Llama, and Gemini. It's almost like having a toolbox filled with various tools, each designed for specific tasks or challenges. So, how do developers choose which model to use? Well, that often depends on what they are trying to achieve. Some models excel at certain types of conversations or tasks over others. Now let's throw a bit of complexity into the mix. Have you ever thought about how these models can actually work with plugins? Yes, that's right. With LLM agent plugins, developers can customize and extend their bot's capabilities. Imagine being able to add a plugin that allows your chatbot to offer real-time updates or execute code. That's not just cool, it's incredibly powerful. And speaking of execution, let's chat about the visual panels that many of these frameworks come equipped with nowadays. Here's where it gets really user-friendly. Gone are the days when you had to dive deep into code just to get your bot running. With just a simple deployment setup, you can have your chatbot up and chatting in no time. How great would it have been to have that sort of accessibility when we were younger, right? But, let's not forget about workflow automation with these frameworks either. Tools like DiFi allow developers to create smooth workflows effortlessly. It's like orchestrating a concert. One mistake, and the whole thing can fall apart. But with these powerful tools, it's easier than ever to ensure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Oh, and speaking of machine learning, there's the fascinating realm of voice-to-text functionality, like Whisper. Just think about it. Transforming spoken language into text can significantly enhance accessibility for users. It's amazing how technology continues to bridge gaps and connect people, don't you think? All right, folks, let's wrap this up with some key takeaways. Whether it's through a multi-platform support system, robust language models, customizable plugins, or user-friendly interfaces, the current landscape of chatbot development is incredibly rich and promising. And as these tech abilities spread, I can only imagine how they'll evolve in the future and what new features we could see. So here's a thought-provoking question to leave you with. How do you envision the role of chatbots in our daily lives 5 or 10 years from now? Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.